So hello all, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to explain about CGTMSE topic, that is Credit Guarantee Fund Trust for Micro Small Enterprises. This trust was established by SIDBI and Government of India. This trust is helping the micro small enterprises. Here credit means loan, as we all know that if someone wants to take loan from the bank, then the proof has to be shown, that is any guaranteed assets, etc. So that we are calling it as collateral security. And if anyone wants to take loan from bank without having collateral security, then they have to take under credit guarantee fund, then they have to approach credit guarantee fund. This CGTMSE is for those people who have talent and interested to keep business but don't have any collateral security. So this CGTMSE acts as a colorful flying bird to that kind of entrepreneurial youth of India without having any collateral security. And when it comes to pandemic situation, COVID-19 pandemic situation, all the MSMEs has been broken down. So the rising of MSMEs has to be done by government. So for recovering all the breakdown or fall down MSMEs, a scheme has been released in Atmanirbhar Bharat, that is Credit Guarantee Scheme for Subordinate Debt, CGSST, that is for stressed and NPA MSMEs. So this will be effective from 24th June 2020. So this CGSST scheme is for those MSMEs which has fallen down due to COVID-19, and also for those MSMEs which has very high NPS. And why there will be high NPS means, why there will be high NPS for institutions means, any institution or MSME or any organization has taken loans and they are unable to pay back the loans, and they are not in a situation to pay back the loans, then the NPS for the institutions gets increases. And the loan which is given by taking collateral security is called ordinate debt, and the loans given without collateral security is called subordinate debt. Okay, loans which is given by taking collateral security is called ordinate debt, and the loans given without taking collateral security is called subordinate debt. So because of all these institutions has been fallen due to COVID-19, and they even don't have money to restart or run the business, so here government is only giving extra money for, government is itself, it is given extra money under CGSST scheme. So what is this extra money means? Government is providing money which is required for their rerunning the business, and later once their business becomes stable, then they have to repay the loan which is given by government. So with this CGSST government is providing extra money for MSMEs. And MSMEs in India are 40% of exports, 45% of industrial production, and is providing 12 crores of employment. So if MSMEs gets into trouble or problem, then the whole economy falls into a trouble. So that's why as soon as possible government has to take care of these MSMEs, and MSMEs has to be recovered. So total 5 crores of MSMEs are there in India. If government does not support or take care of MSMEs, then NPS for the banks get increased, and at the same time unemployment rate also increases. So this CGSST was implemented by CGTMSE, and the duration of this scheme was, the scheme is applicable to all credit facilities sanctioned under CGSST for a maximum period of 10 years from guarantee benefit date, availment date, or March 31st, 2021, whichever is earlier, or till an amount of 20,000 crore of guarantee amount is approved. June 24, 2020 to March 31st, 2021, Government of India has been given 20,000 crores to this scheme. If this 20,000 crores gets finished by Jan 30th, 2021, then automatically the scheme gets closed. So if the 20,000 crores won't get finished by Jan 30th, 2021, then the scheme gets continuous. Who are the eligible borrowers under the scheme? Till this date, 31st March 2019, the people's accounts has to be standard accounts. So those are eligible borrowers under this CGSST scheme. And what is the maximum sub-debt amount eligible under the scheme? So the maximum sub-debt amount eligible under the scheme was 15% of his or her stake is MSME's entity. Okay, 15% of stake in MSME's entity. Here entity means equity plus debt both. or 75 lakhs maximum, whichever is lower. So let us explain it with illustration. Illustration 1 indicates that if promoters have invested 100 lakh as equity and debt in a company, then 15% of 100 lakh is, that is 15 lakh amount is eligible under sub debt. Okay, 15% of 100 lakh. And let us understand it with illustration 2 also. If promoters have invested rupees 700 lakh as equity and debt in a company, then 15% of 700 is 145 lakh. However, amount under sub debt would be 75 lakh. So this lower amount should be taken as a maximum sub debt amount eligible under this scheme. I think you understood the maximum sub debt amount eligible under this scheme will be the lower. So this is about CGTMSE. Thank you for watching.